Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Christmas time on high, in the bottom do magic light. Christmas time on high, in the bottom do Christmas time on high, in the bottom do magic light. Christmas time on high, in the bottom do Christmas time on high, in the bottom do magic light. Christmas time on high, in the bottom do magic light. Christmas time.
Good morning. It is 7:30 and we are off to Maine to gift some clothes and also maybe see my friend Emily. I washed my hair for the first time in like 2 weeks. I think I made 2 weeks, guys. I got it colored not last Friday but the Friday before the pageant, and I hadn't washed it until last night. I try not to wash my hair that much, and especially with the semi-permanent like red color, I don't want it to like fade too fast. Oh, what should we listen to this morning? I think I'm kind of in the mood for like classical Christmas. It's cold, there was ice in the car. I just feel like in a jolly mood. Maybe we'll go to Christmas hits later. I can't do like Christmas hits all day. I can only listen to Mariah Carey so many times, or like so many different renditions of Jingle Bell Rock. Actually, I like Hilary Duff's Christmas album. I remember that from like early 2000s. I'll see you guys when we get to Maine. Okay. Wait guys, I'm gonna go see Emily. She called and texted me. I'm so excited. Now I have to figure out my way there. Okay, so I'm trying to think, where should I go? Because I have to pee. Oh, these buildings are so pretty. Maybe I go to Hardshore and see if I can just go pee there, because then I can say hi to Tristan. He had a birthday. Say hi, go pee, and then call Emily and see where she's at. Bye. If you guys don't know what Hardshore is, it's the distilling company that makes gin. And they're actually the one that gave Ty a piece of a barrel so he can make his wedding ring out of it. That's what his wedding ring's made out of. It was super fun. But yeah, Tristan worked at Hardshore with Ty, and they were like brothers. They were so funny. And then my sister worked at Hardshore for a second, and her and Tristan have like almost the same birthday.
Is said to fall today. The first
Oh my goodness, hi Doggy. Hello, hello. Are you guard dog? Huh?
She's a photographer now. Photographer. Okay, so I just said bye to Emily. And now we're gonna head to the car. Hopefully I don't have a ticket though, because I forgot to pay my little thing. Oh no! When I get back, we have to do Advent because we didn't do it this morning because I left early. Bless the heavens, we did not get a ticket. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we're back in the car. One more stop. I love Emily. So funny, Emily and I were in like college classes together, art classes and stuff, but she's an amazing artist and she has made, it's like, what is this light from? She's designed sneakers for, what's his face? Justin Bieber's old, actually I don't know if he still does it, but Justin Bieber's videographer, Rory. She made some for Nyjah. She's so cool and just like talented and just chill, and like we can just get coffee and hang out, and it's the best. So yeah, she just went to Paris for Art Basel, so cool. carrot? Oh, that's nice. Do you love the carrot?
Doesn't like celery, but he likes carrots.
You're a funny bunny.
My turn to be Santa?
Yeah, Ty is doing Advent.
Number 2.
Oh yeah, I got chocolate
You
today.
gotta find number 2.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna find number 2. Also, yeah, I just came back and I changed back into my PJs. Oh, no, that's not for you.
Give me paw. Yes. Spin.
Oh, good boy. Save me, sister.
It's a bar of soap.
Yay! And then Mrs. Claus said, if you, on a day you don't get chocolate, you can pick from the other bag, remember, for chocolate. Yeah. Oh, what did I get? A little elfie. Wait, is it an elf or a pirate? Oh, he's holding a doggy. It's a pirate elf. Pick one with your eyes closed.
Ah,
What'd you get? What is that?
it's a Santa.
Oh, you got Santa. Nice. Guys, it's 4:20 and I'm back in my PJs like I said. But I feel like I've been like editing some vlogs and stuff. And then all of a sudden I realized, I'm like, who turned out the lights? It got so dark in here, like all of a sudden. Also, I got these PJs and I probably could have done a size smaller because I went one size up and I thought it was gonna be like longer arms, longer shirt, but everything kind of went wide. So now it's just like wide and boxy, not really long, but it's fine. But they're still so cute. They're from Victoria's Secret and I thought this color pattern was still cute for winter and it's not super Christmassy, but I thought it went well with the hair too because the all red ones I feel like would kind of clash maybe with the red hair, I don't know. But they have like gold tinsel in them. I think these were on sale for like 20 bucks. Are you giving me my seconds?
Yeah.
All for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes open fire.
Stay. Okay. You want to go see Dada? Oh my goodness! Oh, do you want Dada? Is that what you think? Where is he? Oh, he's looking for him. Where is he? Oh, where is he? I thought you were seeing yourself, but you were here in Dada. Where did he go? Oh no. All right, Mama learned her lesson. We're not playing that anymore. Huh? Dada comes home soon. Don't worry. It's okay. He'll come back. Yeah. He'll come back. Don't worry. Okay, so as I was editing this vlog, I realized how short it was, and I know I did a lot of talking in the car, but also I've been requested to do a little bit of a tutorial on how I do my beach waves, and it's super easy. I do have really fine hair and it is super clean, so it might not be as full, but I'm going to show you guys how I curl it. And if my hair is a few days old, I'll use a dry shampoo and that gives me a lot more volume. Basically, usually all I would use then is a dry shampoo and a hairspray. And I've been using the same curling iron for years. I did have to replace it a few years ago because my other one eventually did die, but this is like my tried and true curling iron. It is Conair. It's like a 1-inch, and it has the clip because sometimes I do use the clip. And then I also have a beach waver too, which I can do another video on if you guys want that. But I get my like sexy Victoria's Secret angel curly beachy wavy hair with this guy. So that is the video that people have requested, so I'm just gonna add it on to the end of this vlog here because I feel like you guys have asked for it. And if you don't care, you don't have to watch, but I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair. I'm just gonna brush my hair, and then at the top of, I usually do a middle part, and at the top of my part, I'm just gonna brush it back because sometimes my part can go a little bit far back, just the way my hair is. So I'm just gonna brush it back right here. And then I'm gonna take this top piece And this is gonna be the first thing that I curl before I do everything else. My hair is too clean right now. I don't wanna put dry shampoo in it, but if I did have a couple of day old hair, I would dry shampoo my roots first, brush it out, and then I would start curling my hair. But basically, I'm gonna take my curling iron. I opened the clip for this entire thing. So I use this curling iron because I love the size. I feel like it just does curl different than the wand that I have, but I don't really use the clip. So we're gonna put the hair within, and then I'm gonna wrap it around. And the key to like the sexy beachy, like I don't really care, I just woke up like this hair, is to leave about an inch or two out, and then wait. And then before I let this completely go, I'm just gonna keep it here for a second. And then I'm gonna split my hair to each side. And the reason why we did this guy first is because now he's gonna flip back and he's gonna seal like the middle of your hair, because if you've ever seen people walking around with their hair curled and they do it themselves and they split it like this, when they put their hair back, they do have that line in the middle and it splits their hair. It just looks weird. So if you have this one curl, it kind of just like seals that middle of the back of your head, because that matters as well. Next, what I'm gonna do, and I have like very fine hair and I have like 5 pieces of it, so curling my hair takes like 2 seconds. But basically what I'll do, it'll start from the bottom in the back. Just grab a little piece of hair. I keep my curling iron open and I wrap, keep like an inch or 2 off, and then I let it go. I don't pull, I don't crimp, I just let it hang, let it go. So I'm gonna do that all over this side of my head, and I'm gonna go between 1 inch, 2 inches left outside of it. That's, like I said, kind of keeps that like I don't really care, I just woke up like this vibe. I know sometimes people, when they do the beach waves, they curl away from their face, they curl towards their face to give it more texture, but I do everything away from my face. And so once I've curled one side of my hair, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna take what's called a money piece, and I'm gonna leave this for a second. I'm gonna bring it actually to the other side, and then I'm gonna take my hairspray with clean hands. I take my hair at the root and just lift it. You have to make sure you have clean hands, like you just washed your hands, or else all the oils on your hands are gonna make your roots and your hair more greasy. So make sure you wash your hands beforehand. So I just lift it up, grab the bottoms, spritz it, and I just leave it. I'll actually put it back. We're gonna leave, like I said, this money piece for a second. Now I'm gonna do the other side of my head. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my other money piece and put it to the side. Grab my hair, clean hands at the root, just kind of ruffle it up a little bit. Spritz, grab the ends. And now I'm gonna take my 2 money pieces. And this is the key, because sometimes I feel like right here is where girls can either look like they're just curling their hair for the first time and going to prom, or it just doesn't angle their face the right way, or frame their face the right way. So knowing where to curl your money pieces is key. So you're gonna take your money piece, and we're not gonna curl it the same way we've curled everything else. See how the curls start really high? We're not gonna start right here. We're actually gonna start right at your cheekbone. So if you guys could see, my cheekbone is right here. So when you take your hair open, you're gonna take it right at, and start that first bend at your cheekbone. I learned this on a photo shoot a long time ago. And then I'm just gonna leave about like an inch or so off. And then I'm actually gonna, instead of leaving this, I'm gonna pull it. And then you can see it actually hits right at my cheekbone. And I'm gonna leave it for a second. We don't need to do anything to it. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Again, you want it to line up with your cheekbone. Let it go. Maybe do a little pull. And then I bring all of my hair back front. Ruffle it up. I don't spray these yet. Ruffle it up. Because you don't really want these ones to be super duper curly. And then just gotta go instead of just like bringing it forward and spraying it here, I kind of bring it up and lift, little spritz. Then the key is clean hands and just tussling it, because that's what gives you the Victoria's Secret like beddy look. Is kind of like a little bit messy, but instead of putting a bunch of product in here and hairspray and laying it down, I just kind of use my hands to mess it up. A little bit of hairspray, and then on the bottom, instead of having like curly Sue, I take my hair and I just brush the bottoms. Because we want it curly, but we also don't want it to be too curly. And then we just tussle it. You can spritz it more, but my hair is so clean, I don't want to put a lot of product in it at the moment. But you can see these pieces frame my cheekbones. We're ready to go. Well, I'm not really going anywhere, but I just want to show you guys how I curl my hair. So, but if my hair is on like dirty day 2 or 3 and then I curl it, it lasts like a couple days. But since it's so clean, I'm gonna go to bed soon. I don't know if it's gonna last until tomorrow, but that is how I get my sexy beach waves. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. VLOGMAS day 3, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO. Gossip